Hello guys, welcome back to Sugar Spice and Everything Nice. I don't know why you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please do click the notification bell to always get updated when I upload something, and also the red button to subscribe. It's a good place to be in. Well, today I really wanted to go for a picnic because you need to unwind sometimes, and I decided to hit the road. That is a road trip. I don't know who doesn't know about road trip. Road trip is where you just decide to just take a drive to somewhere that is cool, at least to unwind and change your mind and rejuvenate your mind, your thoughts. So tag along.
Still breathing, standing up, everybody's gonna see it. All you need to know is that we're holding on, even if we fall, we will rise up and win on the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our throne.
I discovered a new garden in the area of 𝐇𝐎𝐒, which is called Banana Lux, and as the name Banana Lux, it has bananas within a garden and then some gazebos with different countries' names, so you can come and chill out just with the feel. And it's made of bamboo trees, and it has the feel of, a very nice serene garden where you can even bring your kids for parties. You can come with a laptop, have your own time, have your own talks. I really enjoyed my small picnic day. In terms of tembo, if you know what I mean, those people love drinking. There's a pub for you, a club, a fully a stocked club. So yeah, you can have one for the road as you transit to wherever you're going or you're staying. And also they have good meat. Oh my god, you need to try their meat. Any kind of meat, chicken, beef. I'm a meat person, so I testify on that. It is very good meat. You should just try the place. subscribing to my channel. If you are looking for a place to come and hang out on your way from Nairobi or Karatina, you can better still come to Banana Laks. It's just an affordable place, and it's very few kilometers from Nairobi or Karatina for those who are transiting. So for staycation and planning, this is the place to be. Thank you.
She's my mother.